Ka office jong district sports officer Southwest Kasils district hne kesengi kalai potrik uyayong arjar arpusau kalayo ban Sdang ya kalempung yelekai inter-school athletics meet arjar arpusau hagaba arpulai teli ke school beper kelawan bani shim bynta hagni ke inter-school kabala penlong ham rowel lengdo stadium maulangwir Hakabau district sports officer uba damang sengkon ula shim ya kebenta ban penher ya kalama kum kadak jong kejing play ya kani ke inter school athletics meet arhajar arpusau hagni kesngi la sekhilang do kinong hikai ki kena school ki riurang ba ke bela syak kot sngoba uba damang sengkon haba krena kani kesngi ula ai mensim ya baro ki kena school ki belawan bani shim benta hagni ke inter school athletics meet menta usnam arhajar arpusau but udon ke jingkermen skam bagi kena kin sayo ke jingmentoy but nangkiu hakika mele kai
in the school athletic meet. As scheduled in the program, we are supposed to have the Deputy Commissioner treating tylli as the chief guest for today's opening ceremony, but unfortunately he could not be with us today this morning. He has however conveyed his regret that he could not be with us for this grand opening ceremony to be with all of you, the athletes. But he has conveyed his best wishes for you and that for the tournament to be a successful one. So as you know that the district level inter-school athletic meet is an annual sporting event that we are hosting from the Office of District Sports Officer. So basically to provide a platform to all the young talented school athletes, participants to showcase their talents in athletic sporting capabilities. This year is the 10th edition of this inter-school athletic meet, and I'm very happy to announce that we have a total of 23 schools participating in this meet, and we have more than 700 athletes who will compete in both track and field events. I would like to welcome bala, who is the AE of PWD Roads, who has been with us here today to be a part of this function. I also welcome the teachers, the principals, the parents, the guardians of all the students who are here today to participate in this grand event. My welcome goes to each and every one of you. I also welcome all of you, the young athletes, the young participants, who will be representing your school to compete with each other in various events throughout these 3 days. I know that we have had a warning that there is a heat wave, and there are a lot of schools, there are a lot of teachers, and I'm sure there are a lot of parents who are concerned that perhaps the heat will be a factor. I assure you that this warning goes out especially in those areas, perhaps like in Tura, in Garo Hills, or maybe in Ranikor areas where the heat goes up to even plus 35 degrees. So we are happy that here at least the heat is not that much. The maximum that we've had so far is around 27 to 28 degrees, and that is something that I think we can all, we are happy that we can continue, that we don't have to delay. So this is an area where I think it will not be a factor, but in case there is, we have scheduled the events as such that we will have a proper break in case the heat gets too much. Okay? So I want to reassure you with this. The participants, the very best, please compete in the right spirit, but most importantly with the spirit of friendship and camaraderie. Learn to win with humility, learn to accept your losses, and learn to grow from them. But most important of all, as I always say, please learn to be disciplined. Okay? So all of you, after this event, we will be having the state level athletic meet in Shillong, and that will be starting, is scheduled to start from the 13th. So all the winners, all the top athletes, from here you will be selected to represent the district, and I hope that you will bring the district laurels and you will do us proud. Thank you. Good morning, students. Yes. On behalf of the Office of the District Sports Officer, As the organizing committee, I'm very happy to welcome all of you to
Under 16 years boys hexathlon 100 meters. In lane 1 we
Let me see moment like you never trade. Yeah, I told my mom not to dress no more. Go hit the Bentley, and no, because that's no more. I brought the quick when this